Since we are done with the chana masala, I'll show you how to make the puri, which is a perfect accompaniment throughout the country to eat the chana masala with.
Perfect.
Yeah. Place the flour on your work table. Add salt, a little bit of oil. Combine all the three ingredients together until you get a sandy texture. Create a well and add a little bit of water inside. Mix the flour with the water. Keep adding the water little by little and keep kneading the dough until it's a hard dough. This is a hard dough and this is the texture you're looking for. Fold each side of the dough, get it to the center, press it and get it to a ball. Wrap the dough and let it rest for 15 minutes. Roll your dough into a long cylindrical shape. Now cut them in small portions. Take one portion of the dough, flatten it in your palms, and with the help of a rolling pin, roll it out into a thin circle like this. Thickness. Heat oil in a deep pan until fully hot and gently add the dough. Don't burn yourself. Fry for 20 seconds until it puffs up. Drain excess oil, add it to a colander covered with paper. Serve this bread immediately when it's hot.